Hello class, Mr. Geisler here today. We're talking about taking words and putting them into an equation, a table, and a graph. These are different ways to represent our words. So in this problem, each copy of a book costs $18 and shipping is $9 per order. So if I order one book, it's going to cost me 18 plus 9, which would be $27. Okay, $27. Right. So here's the thing I'm going to start out with. I'm going to go ahead and do an input here, and I'm going to go with 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the rule is here is that I'm going to multiply. When I think about it, I'm going to multiply the number of books. Do we know the number of books? Let's call it X, right? So X. And then we are going to multiply that by what? Each book costs 18. So I'm going to multiply that by 18. 18 times the number of books. 18 times X. And then I'm going to add on what? It's $9 per order. So I have to add on 9. And that's going to equal the total for the output, which is the Y. Okay? So in this case, I'm going to put in 2, 3, 4, and 5 for each of these and see what it comes out to be. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go 18 times 2 plus 9, 36 plus 9 would equal 45. So this is the rule. The rule is what I'm using here, okay? And I'm going to do that over here. So I come up with 45 for my output. So I could graph that. At 2 books, it's almost $50, okay? So I'm going to go like this, and I'll put that right here, okay? So it's almost 50. A little bit below that, 45. Then 3 of them, I'm going to go 18 times 3 plus 9, which is 54 plus 9, which comes out to be $63. Now notice the shipping didn't change. It's still only $9. So it's $63. So at 3, I'm going to be above here, right around $63. Okay. At 4, it's going to be 18 times 4 plus 9, which is going to be 72 plus 9 once I do my order of operations. And that comes out to be $81. Notice it keeps going up what? $18 per book without any change in the cost of the shipping. So at 4, it's going to be 81, which is right about here. And finally, at 5, 18 times 5, okay, is plus 9, is going to come out to be $99. So it's 5, it's going to be a little bit less than 100, right about there. And notice that this is a what? A straight line, okay? So each equation that looks like this with a y and an x in it, okay, just the y and the x is going to do that. So in this table here, I can put in 45, 63, 81, and 99. So I have a table, an equation, and a graph, and they all represent these words up here. So that's how you put words into each type of representation.